number one is it's never done. And it's never done for two reasons. It's never done because the software, sadly or happily, continues to evolve and change, and so you're going to have to update your automated demos. But rather than look at that as a chore, see that as an opportunity to run the experiments. We added these new capabilities. Are they resonating, or was it pointless with those things? So number one, they're never done. Number two, less is more. In terms of automated demos, less is more. Ultimately, for enterprise software, I'm not talking about product-led software, but for enterprise software, you want ultimately to have a conversation with your prospect. And that should be the objective that you keep in mind. It is highly unlikely that for enterprise software, particularly complex applications, that an automated demo is going to secure the sale. Just, it ain't. So keep in mind that less is more. You want to engage in the conversation. And then finally, focus on the highest value elements for the relevant context. In other words, the relevant job titles and their markets. So again, if you're talking to an executive, you don't want to walk them through a long workflow because they're not going to do it. They want to see reports and dashboards and similar types of deliverables. So number one, it's never done. Number two, remember what your real objective is. And number three, map to the job title and the context.